In this video, you'll learn how to manage landing pages in SugarConnect Scheduler. SugarConnect users can create custom landing pages that combine multiple meeting types, allowing them to share a single link with others. Recipients can then choose from a list of meetings while respecting your schedule. Previously, each meeting type required a unique link. Now, a single landing page can present multiple meeting options. To create a landing page, navigate to the SugarConnect portal and select Scheduler from the navigation bar. Click the Add Landing Page button, fill out the required fields, and select from the available event types. Give your landing page a short, recognizable name and a brief description of the meeting's purpose. Preview your landing page to see how it will appear, then click Save. The landing page list view offers several actions. Open Landing Page opens the landing page in a new browser tab. Create a copy. Duplicate the landing page. Copy shareable link. Copy the link to share with an invitee. Edit, modify the landing page. Delete, remove the landing page. To share your landing page, click the Copy Landing Page link icon to copy the URL to your clipboard. Paste the URL into an email, chat client, marketing page, or any other communication tool. When recipients click your link, they will see your availability based on your synced calendar and preferred meeting times. They can select a meeting time and date that works best for them. The calendar on the left allows them to pick an available day, with available times updating on the right. They can also convert the available times to their own time zone using the field above the times. After choosing a day and time, the invitee will be prompted to enter their name, email address, and phone number. Upon saving, they will see a screen with the meeting details and receive a confirmation email from SugarConnect with the subject, Meeting Confirmation, please confirm your appointment. Please note, the meeting will only be scheduled once the link is clicked. You will receive an automated email notification from SugarConnect with the subject starting with Booked Meeting. The meeting will be added to your calendar with a status of busy, and a formal calendar invitation will be sent to the invitee for acceptance. We hope you enjoy using SugarConnect. Thanks for watching.